Welcome to my channel. Netgear N300 router. Unbox the router, remove the router from its packaging and ensure you have all necessary components, including the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Connect power plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Connect modem, use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's WAN, internet, port. Power on, turn on the router and wait for the power LED to become stable. For any technical issue, call now us +1 8668 666 UK +4480827356866. Visit website trendywifi.com. Connect the router, use a computer or mobile device to connect to the router. Open a web browser, enter the router's IP address. Type http://www.routerlogin.net or http://192.168.1.1 into the address bar and press enter. Login. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. The default username is usually admin, and the default password is password. Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Setup Wizard to configure your internet connection. Wi-Fi settings. Customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password for security. For any technical issue, call now us +1 8668 UK +4480827356866. Visit website trendywifi.com. Thanks for watching.